Bring him from the yard.
And I would like to thank my first mate supporters, Andre Cruz. This is Down the Diecast Pirate. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. For 300 subscribers. My first Redline restoration. The Ramblin' Wrecker. My first custom. The one I started with. The Bullet Mustang. Finished it for the first Diecast Mafia Invitational I joined. A tribute to my favorite race car as a kid that was destroyed in a wreck. My second Redline restoration, the Backwoods Bomb. My third Redline restoration, the Strip Teaser. The twin to the first car I built to give away. I built this one so I can see it and remember. My second Diecast Mafia build, the Olds 442. The first car I built for Diecast Graveyard's Invitational for St. Patrick's Day. The Pot of Gold. Pot of Gold. That's the name of this car. My first, it should have been a Redline. My first build off with Matchbox Mark. MacGyver's Jeep. My fourth Redline restoration, the Alive 55. My first three blind mice invitational car, the Monte Carlo. The tribute build to my dad's 69 Camaro. He's still around. My fifth Redline restoration. What was the heavily kid-painted Lola? My third Diecast Mafia build. The Ford Torino Talladega. How you can take a regular car from boring to premium with a wheel swap and details. my latest Redline restoration, the Olds 442 Police Cruiser. And I don't believe I opened the hood on camera when it was done. The build off with Ron at Somo Diecast, the Matchbox wildlife truck. My first subscriber's choice build, the Murdered Turd. My first Four Horsemen build, General Mayhem. My second Three Blind Mice build, the 33 Plymouth. My latest build, customized this Camaro for Old Man Diecast. Coming up Sunday, the second build-off car with Matchbox Mark. Coming next Friday, restoration of this heavyweight. Thank you all. If you're not subscribed, please consider subscribing. Leave a comment down below. Click the like button. Ring that bell for notifications. Follow me on Instagram so you can see pictures of my completed cars. And if you would be so kind to support the channel on Patreon, where you can see in-progress pictures of upcoming builds. As always, this is Don the Diecast Pirate, and I will see you next time.